How to fix login errors on the Gopuff app. If you want to fix your login error on the Gopuff app, it's actually quite very simple. First, you want to make sure it's not the issue with the internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. After that, you can simply navigate to its settings. From settings, you can just scroll to the display section, the apps section I would mean, and once you come to the apps section from here, you want to simply search for the Gopuff application right here. Then once done, you can simply scroll to the storage option. Then from here, clear the cache files and also make sure to clear the data. If you're using iPhone, offload the app and also make sure that the Gopuff app is updated to the latest version. If you're still having the issues, then the chances are basically that your login information is incorrect. So you can launch the Gopuff app and then you can choose to also log in with your Google account or your Facebook account if you have linked with those. Or when you tap on the sign in or the sign up button, you also want to make sure that your phone number is actually correct. And once your phone number is correct, you can tap on the continue button. It will send a verification code. Once you basically enter the verification code sent to this mobile number, just make sure to verify and make sure that they're correct, and then once done, you should be able to log in. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.